Huh? Fresh out of the box.
Yeah, so we've literally just changed to these light fittings. These are the Knightbridge. There we are. So yeah, so we buy these in a pack of 10. Really nice and simple. They've got a magnetic bevel on them. They have all different colours, so satin silver, black, white, brush chrome. On here, we've got different settings and power settings. So you can have it at 5 watts or 7 watts. So obviously a 5 watt will be a little bit less bright than what a 7 watt will. And then you've got the 4 different spectrums of the light. So we've got a very low warm white, full white, and daylight. So they're all different aspects of the light spectrum, and they just simply move the switch, and it moves it to the setting you want. So, and then with the bevel, you just slap it on, and then that's it. Don't come off. They're plug and play, so it just literally plugs in. So when we do the second fix, we're only worried about this bit here for the moment. So what we'll do is we'll leave these spotlights in a box somewhere nice and safe, and then these will all get connected to cables, and then Toby's going to just show how easy it is for them to get connected. So that's it. Fantastic. Yeah, so nice, quick, easy push fit connectors. When we come to testing, we just simply push the button, pull out the cable, and then we can put our testers on it, do an R1, R2, and then we can put it back in, and then close it back up, and then that's it. So nice, simple, and then yeah, that's it.
Awesome.
All right. So yeah, fantastic bit of kit.